This is my presentation on Parkinson's disease and the merits of its treatment using stem cells. Firstly, Parkinson's disease is a disorder in the brain which causes the loss of motor functions, dopamine levels, and verbal capabilities. The disease cells attack the body's dopamine creating cells. We need dopamine for its information transmitting capabilities, which our brain uses to send signals to our various motor functions. Without dopamine, the body cannot properly conduct itself. Parkinson's used to increase a person's susceptibility to other diseases, but non-stem cell treatments have diminished these worries. So at this point, it's really just to call it an inconvenience diminutizes its effect, but it's no longer a fatal disease. The treatment using stem cells was preceded in 2005 by a study which attempted to use fetal nigral transplantation to cure it. Too few positive results negated its usage. So researchers turned to stem cells using a process employing pluripotent skin cells to replace the lost dopamine cells. Pluripotent cells are ones which can use somatic cells or cells used to form the body of a multicellular organism to create other cells. To quote a study conducted in 2020, recently we, the researchers, have also demonstrated that the dopamine neurons we make in the lab are almost identical to those from the human fetus. This, while introducing ethical concern, is evidence of a huge step forward that stem cells motivated. So to discuss the ethics, stem cell procedures for Parkinson's disease always utilize the cells of a human embryo. Obviously, as recent objections have shown, this employment is not universally accepted as ethical. The cells, after all, are originating from that which could, the operative word being could, have been a human. Despite the fact that these cells are willingly given, donated, the topic remains a politically divisive one. For instance, traditionally religious and conservative people are inclined to denote such practices as murder. Conversely, proponents of such practices using stem cells can consider them to be justified. From the Eurostem Cell think tank, fetal tissue and ES cells can be used ethically provided the right to refuse treatment is respected. But not everyone accepts that as ethical. As for the future of stem cell treatment for Parkinson's, it's virtually undecided. As of 2020, a team of researchers backed by a multinational coalition has found promising results in animal trials, finding that the desired dopamine is in fact being produced by the pluripotent stem cells. This research could precede new developments, but as of right now in 2021, not enough has been shown to prove its viability. Coupling this with the traditional ethical concerns surrounding the application and production of stem cells, pluripotent cells have yet to be used as a continued treatment for Parkinson's disease. And those are my works cited. That is all.